Last year, 118,000 young people approached their council because they were homeless or at risk of homelessness. We've done the maths, and that means that every 4 minutes, a young person becomes homeless. Centrepoint is there as the leading youth homelessness charity, working with 16 to 24-year-olds to make sure they have somewhere safe and warm that they can call home. Tonight, we are sleeping out.
I think it's absolutely fantastic that we've been able to get people right across the country supporting this sleep out. So from Northampton Admin Centre, Swindon here, Portman House in Bournemouth, and 12 of our branches all across the UK.
I think we'll be sleeping in the multi-storey car park tonight. I've used that in the past couple of years to park my car. It's the first time I think I've ever led down there, so that'll be a new experience.
A little bit nervous, I guess, just the anticipation of what the night's going to bring, but generally really happy and excited just to be a part of the experience, really.
Here with all colleagues from Payments. Give us a wave, guys. Yeah, I think after listening to the stories that we've heard before we've come out tonight, it just puts it into perspective. As much as it's a little bit of fun maybe for us tonight, there's a really important message behind it all.
So I think it's a really great way to get a better understanding of the kind of experience that homeless people have and the difficulties and challenges that they face.